welcome back to my channel. So tell me, how are you all? I really hope you all are doing amazing and I just wish the good for you. So today's video is gonna be about my dandruff hair care routine, and I did a poll on my Instagram regarding this and I got 60% to 70% votes in favor. So yeah, here's this video. So without any further ado, let's go into the video. So the first step that I follow is just squeeze some lemon juice and then just apply it to your scalp like you're doing oiling, just the normal thing. And I know that I look scary, so never mind. So the shampoo that I'm currently using is this by Biotique, and it's total Ayurvedic recipe, like no chemicals and nothing. That's why it's so good to your hair, and it retails for rupees 170. I didn't buy it online, I bought it from my nearby grocery store, but I'll link it down below in the description box. You guys can obviously find it online also. So yeah, I will surely recommend to give it a try. And no, it's not a sponsored video. I just wanna help you girls out because you know dandruff can be so rough to you. So there is no tips and tricks to how to use this shampoo because it's just a normal shampoo. You just make sure that you keep it for at least 2 minutes on your scalp and massage it thoroughly. That's all, and then just rinse it off. And it says that it's shampoo plus conditioner, so it works like that for me. But if you still think that you need a conditioner, I suggest you to leave conditioner for a while and instead go for a lemon only. Just squeeze some lemon into water and then just rinse your hair off with that, and yeah, that's it. This is what I do and I have seen great results because lemon is the life savior. Yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because we're gonna hit 500 super soon, and I am so grateful for you guys. Also, if you think that this video will be helpful for your friend or your sister, so why don't you share it and ask them to subscribe to my channel, because let's grow this M family. And yeah, that is it about this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.